Hi, I'm Megan. Today I'll be testing some new hair products for Afro-hair. Let's see if it works on my hair. So let's go, guys. So the first product today will be clips. I can see that the teeth are a bit small for my hair, but let's try it on and try to make a puff up. Just to detangle a bit. It was a bit dry. So I used the big one, and to be honest, I am so shocked. This is a real gadget, like I recommend. So now I'll make two puffs. As you can see, I sectioned my hair in half, the same process. So you just got to hold it and put the clip, close the crocodile's mouth, and here it is. It's actually fine. Let's try with the other one. Okay, still good. It's easier than hairbands, like for sure, and it sticks well. Like I can move left to right and nothing is falling, so perfect. The clips, it's $12, so for a big one and a small one, please buy some for you and you'll be swinging all around. So this product is a hot hairbrush by Babyliss. We don't need to plug it, that's amazing. But now let's see if it doesn't burn my hair. That's the most important thing. So this side is shrinked and this side is blow dry. So let's try the hot brush and see if it works on both sides. Just section a bit of your hair. I hear a little noise. Oh, okay. Okay, so I don't want to burn my hair again. So let's just stretch it. Okay. There's still some smoke, so okay, I think it's for a voodoo thing, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna stop here because the thing is smoking and I don't want to burn my hair much. On shrinked hair, it's a no, like totally no. But now let's try on blow dried hair. I'm just being a barbecue right now, so I don't know. So in conclusion, it's an obvious no. Like, I'm sorry guys, but it didn't work on shrinked hair or in blow dried hair. Like, it literally burned my hair. So no, no, no. And for the price of $240, I want to recommend that for Afro-hair. Next product. Now is the Volumizing hair tool. It's quite a funny shape. It looks like a waffle. So basically, I don't know if it will work in my hair because I already have some volume, but we'll still see. So I have to go to the root and just leave it for like 2 seconds. Can you see any difference? The waffle machine didn't work, like seriously. I won't say it was bullshit, but it's not it. Like not at all, no volume. It didn't have anything, like no guys, I won't recommend it. Maybe you can try to make some waffles with it, like there's a nice shape, but that's it. Next. This product is a twister, so if you love vanilla hair, it should be for you. I do, so let's see if it works on my hair. So I'm just gonna put some cream. Then you section the little piece in two. So you're just gonna stick one bit inside, the other bit on the other side. Okay, first each side. Okay, and then I'm gonna twist them two together. Okay, it's actually hard to get the hair from the machine. I put too much cream, but it's still working. Okay, I'm stuck now. So you see guys, it's a twister. The twister doesn't work on natural hair. Let's try it this time on braiding hair. Added extensions, so it's actually working, but just need to find a way to put my hair inside so it doesn't look so messy. Gel, so my hair. Okay, that's better, but not as expected to be honest, so still disappointed. Like I had to put a lot of gel and the hair still looks a bit messy, so the twister is actually a good gadget, but it didn't work for my hair, so it depends on hair. Unfortunately, I won't recommend it for my own hair, so for Afro-hair. Dirty Minds, I see you. It's not a vibrator, but a vibrating brush. So let's try it on my hair. Okay, this is a really nice gadget. Like, my hair doesn't hurt. It really detangles it, so this one is top. No vibrator, the vibrating brush, amazing. Because it vibrates, it makes my hair feel so soft, so no stretching, no hurting. The vibrating brush is working perfectly, and guess what, guys? It's only $28. So buy it and buy it. So guys, there's only 2 gadgets that I love. It was the vibrating brush and the clips. The rest, it can go to trash, like seriously. It was a pleasure testing all these gadgets with you. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, I'm Frederica and today we're gonna try on some gadget for straight hair on my curly hair. Let's go! This one is like a headband with some clip hairband, and then you pull over your hair in the back like that and you clip all over the headband. Okay, so here's the headband with the little clip. So cute! Okay, so I put on the top of my head just like that. I'm gonna use one clip all over my head like that. It looks terrible. Can I stop? I feel confused. Come on, seriously, like, the is this? I'm sorry guys, it's a big no. I cannot even take it off. Okay, so these gadgets right here, you see? It's a no. It's only for like short, straight hair, not for curly hair. Next one. Okay, this gadget is like to put like little diamonds on the top of your hair. Yeah, I don't understand the concept of this one, because you can take the diamond and just put it like that. Okay, so first I'm gonna tie my hair like the woman in the video. Smell good. I love smelling stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna do a low bun. Grab some gel like that. Silky low bun. So now I'm gonna take this little gadget. Then clap this part. Okay, another diamond design. It's very easy to use, but to be honest, this one didn't work. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna take the little pink heart. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, no, to be honest, it's easy to use, but it doesn't work very well. I think it's easier like to just grab the strass with your hand and put it like that. I think it's a no, garbage. Oh, it's braid your hair like directly. I'm just scared to lose one of my hair in that gadget, but we'll see. Okay, so here's the product. Lovely, I love it. Okay, so you put your hair like that. That is not easy. I cannot see what I'm doing, and it's not comfortable at all. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, that's amazing. I love it. I love it. It's like a friend, but at least it braided, like they didn't lie. I think it's really more easier if you have like straight hair, to be honest. It's a total mess. I'm sorry guys. Okay, let's go. Oh no, it's working. It's definitely a no for me. This one is like a hair curler, cordless, so easy to travel with. Actually, I'm interested to try this one because I have already curly hair. Okay, so I turn on 180 degrees and I'm gonna wait just a little bit until it's warm enough. So I'm just gonna tie up my hair. I put inside and then I press. And then I wait until it stops beeping. Oh my god, I'm scared, guys. Wow, amazing. I'm gonna try with a longer hair Oh, that one hurts a little bit. Okay. Okay, now I look like Louis XIV. Put less hair inside if you want like juicy curls like that. Do not put that much hair. I will not use it like every day, but I think if you want like more definition on some curls, you should go buy this product. This one, it looks like to do a little bump. You know, in the early 20s, old-fashioned trends with the little bump. Okay, so I have 3 different pieces like that. I'm gonna take the biggest one because I have big hair. Okay, so boom. Oh, it's giving a bit volume. Wait, I didn't put enough hair. I don't know about this one. It's a no for me. Because curly hair girls, we have already this volume naturally. Okay, now I'm gonna cry. I can't take it off. It's literally destroying my hair. My god, never use that on your hair. Terrible, terrible. Okay, I'm sorry, I have no idea how to describe this one. What is this? You just have to wet your hair before, and then it's look like long spaghetti, like pasta plastic. Okay, so first I'm gonna wet my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna use this curler. Okay, here we go. I put the hair inside of the curler. It's easy once you know how does it work. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. Okay, now let's dry them. Okay. Oh my god, I can't wait to see the result. It did absolutely nothing with my hair. Wow. Okay, so I think for those one you have to really sleep with them. As you can see, it's not dry enough. It didn't really work on my type of hair. This product is a no for curly hair. Oh, this one is a cute one actually. I think it's from Japan. It's like 2 little hearts, pinky one that you put on each part of your head. It's so cute. I can't wait to try it, this one. Okay, there it is. So I'm gonna try this one. What do you guys think? Gonna try to fix this hair like this. Okay, what do you think? I think it's kind of cute. I like it. I think I prefer this look. It's more natural and simple, but I think it's a nice gadget. You should try it on. Okay, so the only one gadget that I will recommend will be the cordless curler. The others gadgets is just garbage. Don't waste your money. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Look at the bit ahead of me.